Maluwag, di ba? Okay, everyone, nandito na sila sa choke.
Tungina, random lang agad.
Multo. Can you pull you? Okay, wala. Nice one. Okay, walking. West side, West side. West side, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, west side.
Go guys, west side.
Wala.
Backline getting broad.
Back muna.
Yung earth rune nila low na. Si A boss.
Yeah, next one. Nakaposition na kayo. Okay, keep rolling lang mga brawlers ha. Kasi daw sa mga nasa inside natin. Keep down. 10 seconds ang cooldown natin. 10 seconds. Yo, help the front. Help mo to. Yo, guys, help the front. Oh, everyone, keep walking west. Keep walking north. North. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is a big clap. Yo, where's everyone? Okay, back muna. Ready defensives. They got engaged. Wala, they miss.
Fake yun.
Yo, di ko alam. Yo, you're too far front. Okay, come north. Okay, backline lang natin. Sa backline natin. Stun ako in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ito lang. Left tanks. Wala, ito yung ano nila. Come back na muna yung mga rollers ko. Alam mo, iniisa-isa lang kayo dyan. Yo, be mindful. Come back up. Up, spread. Back up the choke. Ito yung choke natin. Sige. Nice one. Everyone, spread. Yo, ginagawa niyo mga brawlers ko. Braindead na naman ba kayo?
Advantage ko.
Ano yan?
Go lang.
Sige, everyone. Brawlers ko, pasok kayo from the east side. Don't go too deep. Your side ko, ingat. They're gonna pull. Nasa loob na yung core, nila. Tangsa. Okay, engage sa east side. Everyone, bro. Okay, let's say, I'm sorry. Engage inside the bus. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sa gitna lang natin. Sige, engage yung gitna. Okay, everyone, bro nyo yung mga sa backline natin. Baka. Yung nasa loob lang natin yung bro nyo. Nasa loob yung bro nyo. Defense talks hold the front. Uy. Everyone, yo, chill on this front. Yo, don't go too deep. Andiyan na. Okay, bro, kasi yung heavy mace. Yo, nice. Observe. Inside the bus. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ito lang sa gitna. Sabay natin. Okay, nalalaw na sila. Okay, may 10 seconds pa sila. Okay, coming. From the east side, Huwag kayo sa isang side lang duman. Okay, back muna. Everyone, back na yung nababrawling backline natin. Okay, defenses on this. Help that ADG. Nice. Engage. East side on the choker. Sa puno. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sa puno. Nice one. Okay, we're still winning. We're box out tayo. We're still good. Finish lang. Himana sa west side. Okay, they're getting low. I'm grabbing Judy in the front. Never mind, na-cancel ako. I'm grabbing Judy now. They're engaging. Pat. Nice one. Okay, inside the bus. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ito lang, mga stun ko. Finish the kills. Go. Ito, healer nila. AFK. Yo, loot up. Finish na rin.
Nice one.
Healer nila going inside. Yo, everyone. Energy. Loot up.
Hollow fall. Kami, hollow fall. Sayang, hollow fall din niya, bro. I'm on the way.